Imagine a natural remedy that can soothe your skin, promote hair growth, and even aid digestion. It's been used for centuries, yet it often remains overlooked. Today we will diving into the world of castor oil. Did you know that castor oil has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of the years? It's packed with nutrients like racinoic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Let's explore its benefits and how to use it. What is castor oil? Castor oil is a vegetable oil derived from the seeds of the Rachinus communis plant. While its origin may seem simple, its unique composition is anything but. Rich in fatty acid, particularly racinoic acid, castor oil is unlike any other oils. It's packed with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties and moisturizing compounds that make it a standout in natural beauty and wellness. Skincare moisturizers. Castor oil rich fatty acid content help lock in moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. Reduce inflammation. It can alleviate skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Promote wound healing. Its antimicrobial properties can help speed up the healing process. Apply a small amount of your skin and massage gently. Face mask. Mix castor oil with other ingredients like honey or aloe vera for a nourishing face mask. Hair care. Stimulate growth. Castor oil can nourish your scalp and promote hair falling growth. Thicken hair. It can add volume and thickness to your hair. Prevent breakage. It helps strengthen hair stand, reducing breakage and split ends. Scalp treatment. Warm the oil slightly and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. Then shampoo and condition. Hair mask. Mix castor oil with other hair oils like coconut or olive oil for a deep conditioning treatment. Digestive health. Relieves constipation. Castor oil can stimulate bowel movement, providing relief from constipation. Castor oil is not just for external use. When taken internally in small amount, it works as a powerful natural laxative. The racinoic acid in the oil triggers the muscles in the intestine, helping to relieve constipation. However, it's important to use it consciously. Support liver function. It can help detoxify the liver and improve digestion. Enhance eyelashes and eyebrow growth. Dreaming of longer, fuller lashes or thickened eyebrow? Castor oil can help. The oil nourish hair follicle, providing essential nutrients to encourage the growth of healthier, thicker lashes and brows. Apply it regularly and you will start to notice visible result in a matter of weeks. For eyebrow and eyelashes growth, use a clean mascara wand or cotton swab to apply a thin amount of castor oil to your eyebrow and lashes before bed. For nails and cuticles, rub a drop of castor oil into your nails and cuticles daily to keep them hydrated and strong. Support wounds healing. Castor oil has long been used in traditional medicine for wound care. It creates a moist environment that promotes faster healing and reduces the risk of infection. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties work together to speed up recovery and prevent scarring. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using castor oil. Allergies. If you have a no allergy to castor oil beans or castor oil, avoid using it. Castor oil is a versatile natural remedy with numerous potential benefits from skin care to healthcare and digestive support. It can be a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Remember to use it responsibly and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concern.